This is live again. These guys, there's a guy that came to buy them banana. They're here. They want to take the banana off it. See the way they are smart. They are smart like human beings too. They are doing all their best to be sure that the man is not going to capture them. It is it's very calculative. They are very, very calculative. See, I think they are afraid. They don't want to. Huh? See, see, it's a live video. It's beautiful. This is beautiful. You can see how they are very intelligent and they are very calculative, making sure that they are not running into trap. They're eating. They are coming to collect, and the big one is scared, but the younger one are very, very, very calculative. You see how it comes to collect. This is live from the prayer camp where we are, uh, and it is beautiful. Yeah, this is good. This is good. This is beautiful. Imagine. This is beautiful. He collected in two hands and he doesn't want the hand to touch the ground. You see? This is beautiful. Whoa. Can you see this? This is what? Wait. Oh, this one is here. You see? He has not finished eating the two. He's still up there. You see? You see? It's a good sign. Wow, nice to see. It's beautiful. Don't you see? Wow. My children is going to like this. I'm going to put this on YouTube. See? Ah, this is nice. Can you imagine? His truth is full. He's eating more. You see? He has eaten. It's by feet. Hmm. See? See? The monkey? Wow, this is beautiful. It's losing now when you don't eat. It's, this is beautiful. It's interesting to see. This is how it is. You can see it's gone. He's afraid. See, this is where I sleep. This is my place of prayer, you see. And this is me. Life under it. Life under it. You can see. Wow, this is beautiful. He's finally gone. He's going to join the family. They are a family of 4.